Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is part 2 of healthy tips, and I got my tablet here. I wrote down some notes, so y'all have to excuse me if I'm looking down. So the next tip is that I have for you guys: eat more fiber. You have to eat more fiber because it helps you go to the bathroom. It helps flush out, everything that you need to flush out to help you boo-boo. Because if you don't boo-boo, or you can take a soft laxative, because I know bariatric patient intentionally on getting constipated. So take a stool softener every day to keep your bowels open. Because if you don't, that will store as in weight and you won't lose weight. And another one is chew slowly. The more you chew slowly, the better it is that you can enjoy your food, and the better that you can feel it as your body is getting full. You can feel the slowness getting full. If you eat too fast, you'll overeat, you'll gorge and overeat, and then that causes you to binge eating. So eat slowly so you can feel the food, enjoy every bite. And the next one is get plenty of sleep. You have to get plenty of sleep, because if you don't get plenty of sleep, it'll make you tired. You will be off track. You will be just can't work. You can't function. You can't exercise. You can't drink your water properly. You'll be exhausted and poop. So you just might as well just get plenty of rest, the best rest that you can get. It really helps with weight loss too, because it's kind of like stressing your body out when you don't get enough sleep. And eat more protein. I think I had that in the first video. Eat more protein, because protein is good for the body, period. Because it helps you to burn a lot of fat, And don't forget your protein shake. Protein shakes is always good for a meal replacement. When you don't want to eat anything in the morning, like me, I'm not a big eater in the morning. So I just get a protein shake and a banana. And it really helps me to, pull me over for the big part of the day. And no fruit juice drinking, no soda drinking, no pop, none of that. Water is the best thing that you can drink. And you can have the little Kool-Aid packs that's 9-calorie inside of your water. But that pop, sugary stuff, drinks and sodas and all that is just empty calories. And all you're going to do is, my motto is never drink my calories. Eat them. So that's me. If you want to eat pasta, make sure it's whole grain. Make sure that it's 100% wheat and not, like that stuff that's honey wheat and all that, got sugar in it. Just do straight wheat, because it helps you get more fiber in, and it helps your bowel and it digests very well. So, and don't call what you're doing a diet. Because when you intentionally on calling a diet, you don't want to call it that. You really want to call a lifestyle change. Because if you don't, then you will feel like that you dieted and you're never going to stick with it. So just try to say, I'm not dieting. I am doing a weight loss change. Try to be like, okay, I'm going to do a weight loss change. Because you don't want to say diet. It ain't good, because you always sabotage yourself that way. And I think that's it for now. I just wanted to give you the rest of those, and I'll come back with more tips as soon as I, research. I always do my research to bring you guys tips that I want to do. I wouldn't give you guys nothing that I wouldn't do, okay? And that is almost my 5 minutes, and that's my limit. I love you guys. Bye-bye.